And the last example on rational numbers in Lesson 2 is a bit of a mixed up bunch of numbers. They're decimals and they're fractions and they're percents, but we need to get them all in order. And it says Bodie is a quarterback. He completed 67% of the passes in the first game. In the second, third, and fourth game, he completed 64 hundredths, 3/5, and 69% in the next 3 games. So they want to know what is it from the least to the greatest. So let's turn these all into decimals. You don't have to, but you need to have them all about the same to compare. Well, I know right here we have 69 and 67. So I'm going to say 67%. Scratch that out. I'm going to put them into decimals. So that's 67%. And 69%, that's another easy one. Scratch that out. And we can go to 69 right there, or 0.69. And so we know 69 is larger. And now we are left with 3/5. And stop, drop, divide. If I drop that in. And how many times does 5 go into 3? It doesn't. How many times does 5 go into 30? It goes 6 times. So 3/5 is 0.6. And the last one is 0.64. So they're mostly into decimals, or we didn't have to do too much for it. So it wants the smallest to the largest. So we can line them all up. 0.67, 0.69, 0.6, and 0.64. And if we look at them, they're all 6s, so go to the next column. Well, the smallest one would be 0.6, which is really this one here. So we're going to line it up with what it has given you. 3/5 is the least, so we're done with that one. The next one would be 7, 9, and 4, so that would be 0.64 or 64 hundredths. And then, of course, it would be 67%. And then 69%. So you put them back into the original numbers. There you go. Thank you.